Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Rebirth. Finally, click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way, you'll see all available themes. Finally, click on the best one for you. Tap on this switcher next to key borders to switch them off or on and hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!